Schaben. I'm with ALLDATA. Today we're going to share with you a little bit about our collision advantage. This is basically the next step as far as body shop goes. How do we improve operations and make your estimates more accurate and of course more cost effective? Everybody knows ALLDATA is known for its OEM repair information, and now what we're going to do is we're going to make the estimator's job a lot easier. Essentially, we're going to try to give you line-by-line repair information to help you find those non-included items, and more importantly, what is the proper way to repair the vehicle as per the manufacturer. We want you to be able to repair these cars safely, return a safe vehicle, and make sure that the way it's being done, if that vehicle gets into another accident, the occupants of that vehicle be safe and it helps safe and secure. What our collision advantage does here is we work with all three major estimating systems, CCC, Michelin, and Adantage. What we're going to do is we're going to pick up the EMS file. Instead of you having to go to try to find the information yourself, we're going to find the information for you, and we're going to put it in a line-by-line format so it's very easy for you to read. As a body shop, we're very accustomed to working out of our estimating systems, and as I run this, I'm just going to pick an estimate here. And when I hit the estimate integration, what this is now doing is it's picking up that EMS file, it's taking line number 1 of your estimate, running it through ALLDATA in a manufacturer's OEM repair information, and bringing back the results. It's then going to line number 2, 3, 4, and anywhere where we have information, it's bringing back line-by-line returns. The other thing we do with our collision advantage, you might notice the OEM procedures and the OEM alerts. We're going to help you identify your structural materials. As we know, when repairing the vehicles, if you have a given type of metal structure, it requires a mandatory type of repair. We're going to help call those out so that way you know that there's only one way that that vehicle can be properly repaired. When I click on the given line item, you notice the line will expand. Then what ALLDATA has done, as it's gone through the program, and line by line it's identified, in this particular case, we have a service and repair procedure. We have specifications, locations, description and operations. So in other words, any repair information, we go through the different categories and pull it up. Now as the shop, instead of me having to go back into the ALLDATA program and try to find this information, line number 4 on my sheet says front bumper, line number 4 on my collision advantage says front bumper. It's married up line for line. Now I'm just going to click on the procedure, choose my bumper, and now as I look at this information, this is the information from that given manufacturer letting us know what is the proper way in order to do this repair. As the estimator, what I want to do is I want to come through here and I want to try to identify what are my non-included items. What corrosion information do I need? Are there any particular materials that I need to account for? And if so, then this is where I want to go back to my estimate. I want to modify that estimate and make sure I'm getting paid for the work and that I'm actually doing the proper repair. Now the other thing that's really neat about this is even though I pulled up the given procedure I was looking for, ALLDATA's information is still right over here. So any other part of the program, I can go ahead and go to. If I go back to my sheet, please notice we also have your vital repairs and information. These are repairs that are mandatory for the shop that you should be doing. Very simple, very straightforward. If you're using this, going line by line by line, you should be able to identify your repair procedures from the OEM, identify your non-included items, and really save a lot of time. And of course, with our collision advantage, you have that together with our diagnostic scan tool, making sure you're doing your pre and your post scanning. This should be mandatory in the shop, guys. If you're not doing it, please start doing your pre and post scan. There are huge liability and consequences regarding that. That's something we can help you out with.